Almondina, Almond Bites, the original, 5 ounces, 142 grams. Product overview description. Family recipe made with whole roasted almonds, the delicious snack without the guilt. Baked, thin, crunchy and sweet, no cholesterol, no added salt, dairy-free, non-GMO Project Verified Kosher Pareve. A unique, old-world family recipe, passed down from generation to generation, just as Grandma Dina used to bake Le Petit Gateau Sec in her own kitchen. Lavished with almonds, delicious, thin and crunchy, it's a gourmet cookie and snack all in one. Baked with simple natural ingredients, these Almondina Bites do not contain cholesterol, preservatives, added fat or salt, and are dairy-free. Extremely snackable and crunchy, Almondina Bites are perfect on their own or with toppings. Excellent when paired with cheese, enjoy with coffee, superb in ice cream or yogurt, and a great treat for children of all ages. This is why we call these bites the delicious snack without the guilt. Other ingredients: almonds, flour, wheat flour, malted barley flour, cane sugar, egg whites, raisins, natural flavors. Contains wheat, eggs and almonds. Baked in a facility that uses coconut, hazelnuts, sesame and pistachio. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.